Is there anything you'd like to add to this conversation?
No.
Does this interest you at all?
No, I'm just watching.
Really?
Yeah, I'm just watching.
All right.
Well, that's why I asked you to ask, sweetheart.
Well, I think no matter what I said, you would have said it's not enough to bother this turtle. Oh, no. Here. Somebody. So usually what we'll do is we'll do like, I'm sure the rest of you do this as well. We just make kind of a run through everything, make sure things are secure, sweep up before we bring the slides in. So it's safe to say the massager was the hot item.
It was a hot ticket.
Understandably
Hot
so.
lick. A hot lick.
I came this close. You ready to do this?
I guess so. I don't have much of a choice.
Good morning. Good morning, Tucker. Oh, there he goes. This is what he does in the mornings when we open up all the windows. He situates himself right there on the couch, looking out, ready to
Attack.
He wouldn't know how to attack if you showed him how.
I'll get you. I'm gonna
Yes.
get you. Aren't you, Tuck?
We have our daughter Casey staying here with us, and Casey sleeps out on the jackknife
Yes.
couch, and of course Tucker sleeps up there with her. There's plenty of room for the both of them. She's been with us for about a week now, and she likes to stay up late, and of course she sleeps in late.
And her
So
friends are up late, so she's chitter-chatting with her friends that
Right.
are up late.
Yeah, and there's nothing wrong with that.
No.
I'm not saying there's anything. So what we'll do is, I'm an early riser, so I'm up at like at 6, between 6 and 7. So Casey will wake up, and I'll take her and put her in the back bedroom with Katrina and shut the door. Then that way I don't disturb her. Took Tucker for a walk this morning, and he went looking for the turtle again.
No, he did?
Once we got to that spot, he found a turtle yesterday. So here we are, out and about, and someone's curious about the turtle. Look. Leave him alone, buddy.
Hey, where are you going? I'd like to go. Can I hitch a ride?
And we got to the same spot this morning, and he didn't want to leave.
Really?
No, he did not want to leave. He's like, I know this turtle's around here somewhere. And
Well, he broke free yesterday, too. You said
Yes.
he broke free.
so Tucker sees a turtle at the campground, and look at him. He wants badly to bother this turtle. Oh, no. Here. And we have a few more days here, and then it's off to Fort DeSoto. And
Fingers crossed we have nice weather there.
yeah, I don't know. It's looking so right now.
It's looking like 60s and maybe low 70s. And I'm not seeing a ton of sun, so that's disturbing.
You know who is going to spend some time outside today?
He doesn't want his picture taken.
Tucker.
What's the matter?
It's okay, right? I'll let you stay outside today. And we got the e-bikes to work. We got the keys to the e-bikes, so we were able to
Thank goodness.
take them out. And we're going to take them out today. We love riding around the campground on our e-bikes. So,
Like a bunch of old folks.
yeah. Speak for yourself. How dare you? Bite your tongue. All right, so here's to another day. All right, well, we're getting ready to go to this thing called a white elephant. I don't know what the white elephant is. I'm leaving that up to Katrina to explain it to me. I still don't know. Katrina bought some gifts. We'll see how that turns out. We have Casey here with us, as you guys know. She's been kind of shy about saying anything. Casey, you have anything to say? Have you enjoyed your stay with us so far? Seriously.
Yeah.
Yeah, what?
Yeah.
That's it? Yeah? We've had a good time, right? And we're working our way to Fort DeSoto next, so that should be exciting. You ready for this white elephant tonight?
Yeah.
You gonna have a good time?
Uh-huh.
So as you can see, Casey's really excited, and then Katrina is looking really good. She's ready to go for the white elephant, and we're going to meet some friends. The RV's a mess. Those of you who full-time or travel with your family, you know how it gets. As you can see, Katrina's preparing things for Tucker. What do you need? What do you need, sweetheart?
I need you to get the AC on. It's hot in here.
No, it'll cool down tonight. I turned the AC off on purpose. Windows are open. It will cool down tonight. I'll open up some more windows and we'll do this right here.
For his water. Make sure you have water.
We go.
Did you check to see if he had water?
No, he's fine.
Did you check to see if he had water?
He's fine.
No,
He's good.
He probably needs water.
He's fine. He's got water. I said he's got water. He's got water. There's water there. We're good to go.
Okay, let's go. That's not enough water.
Oh, see?
Well, that's why I asked you to ask, sweetheart.
Well, I think no matter what I said, you would have said it's not enough. Unless it was full. But I think he's fine. He's fine. He's good.
No, I'm not good because I don't get to go.
All right, let's go. So someone was kind enough to take the time to explain to me this white elephant process, and I still don't know.
All right, there's a roach in the lollipop. I love that. All right.
For the loose one?
Is there anything you'd like to add to this conversation?
No.
Does this interest you at all?
No, I'm just
No?
watching.
Really?
Yeah, I'm just watching.
Oh, I got some mints. And I got a little bag. Oh, hang on a second. It's for my ball. It's my ball sack.
I'm saving the bag, God dang it. There you go.
Nice! Nice! Oh, really? Really?
Oh, man, you got rockin' sockets robots.
Look at that! That is pretty cool. That is cool.
Oh, do you see what it says?
Oh, it's a spanker! It's a spanker!
It's a spanker!
He can smell it. Steal someone else's gift, or you get to choose from these two.
Well, this is really exciting because
Who knew that you could buy?
I get a chance to open up a new gift.
Katrina's gonna be very happy. She's gonna be loving life, man.
Massage go. Oh. Wow.
I hate to burst your bubble.
Oh.
She's taking you, baby. She got you, baby.
Son of a bitch! Son of a bitch! So it's safe to say the massager was the hot item.
It was a hot ticket.
Understandably
Hot
so.
lick. A hot lick.
I came this close.
You lost it.
So close.
You lost it.
I'll find other ways to take care of it. I'll find other ways to work it out.
Lucky me.
Yes.
Like me to have people calling me so
That was so awesome.
Like, it's bad.
Well, good morning, everyone. Today is Getaway Day. So we're here at the 1,000 Trails in Orlando. We have enjoyed this day here. It's been great. It's been fantastic. We were in site 52, but I always forget the name of the road, but it was over in the, I think the new old section, for those of you familiar with Orlando 1,000 Trails. Mike and Susan, our friends, parked next to us over the weekend. Spent some time with them. We had a great time. Nice site. This is a great site. We're gonna head over to Fort DeSoto today. So we're gonna go to Fort DeSoto State Park. Now, if you remember, I did a video last year where Katrina and I drove around Fort DeSoto to scope it out. It's one of those places we've always wanted to go, and we managed to get a spot over there. So we have 2 spots. So we're going to be one spot for most of the time, and then the last couple days we're going to move to another spot. That's no big deal. They're very close to one another. We only have like a 2-hour drive. So checkout here is 11 o'clock. So we're going to wait till almost 11 o'clock to head on out, stop and get some fuel, and then we're getting that much closer to the Tampa RV show. We're really excited about that, but I got to tell you, I've said it before and I sound like a broken record. I love Thousand Trails Orlando. It's without a doubt our favorite. I could spend probably, if there was a way to do it, I could spend maybe buy a seasonal spot or something. I could spend the whole winter here in this campground. And we get a chance to meet so many friends. They show up here and we hang out, and that's the best thing. We were quite a few nights where we hung out with some friends just around a campfire. We had a great time. That's the best part for us, is hanging out with the friends and meeting people. So you know who's going to be a little anxious today, as he usually is when we travel. So all I have to do is put the slides in, air this sucker up, and we're out of here and looking forward. Here's hoping that the weather will hold up for us over at Fort DeSoto. It's been kind of cool. There's been some nice days, some good days, some fun days where the sun came out and we were able to enjoy it. So we're hoping we'll get some of those over at Fort DeSoto. If not, we'll just make the best of it. One other thing I forgot to mention, the steps. I've yet to fix the steps. I took the crankcase apart and checked everything out the best I could. I went online to get the parts to replace it. It's going to cost close to 600 bucks. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait till I get to the Tampa show, and I'm going to meet up with our friends Joel with This Is Our Adventure, and he is an RV tech. He went to the NRVTA training and everything. I'm going to have him look at it, and I want him to give me a second opinion just to make sure he thinks it's the same thing before I run off and drop $600 on parts. I could put the steps away, no problem. It's not going to be an issue. We can pull them out when we get to the site and set up. So it's not one of these big crucial things, okay? So I'll let you know what happens with those steps. In the meantime, we're good to go. What do you say, buddy? Somebody. So usually what we'll do is we'll do like, I'm sure the rest of you do this as well. We just make kind of a run through everything, make sure things are secure, sweep up before we bring the slides in. Thankfully, it's only a 2-hour drive. Those are the best kind of drives, you know, something like a 2-hour drive or a 1-hour drive. But it's always interesting that when you come to a campground, I kind of get comfortable, you know, you get set in your routine and you get a little down about leaving because, you know, I enjoy the area. But once you get on the road and you get to your next destination and you set up and you know, get everything good to go, you're ready to start that next adventure. So that's what we're going to do today. You ready to do this?
I guess so. I don't have much of a choice.